Hello friends, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices and use them when necessary. And today we are going to prepare samosa. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel and let's begin cooking. And our ingredients today are: we have minced meat, we have coriander or dania, we have onions, red onions and spring onions, and of course we have Royco cubes. Let's get into kitchen and cook. We are going to begin by cooking our minced meat. First we light our gas on. We add our minced meat. We cover a bit. I'm also going to add salt. 1 teaspoon is enough. And cover our pot again. I'm going to add Royco cubes, 2 of them. A few drops of cooking oil. I'm going to add onions, my spring onions and red onions. And cover my pot again. Wait for my onions to cook. Now we are going to add dania. our mixture. And cover again for only 2 minutes. My meat is ready. And here I have another bowl. It is like a bowl. And 1 cup of wheat flour. I'm going to add it. And I add salt. And mix it well. Then I have normal water. And don't forget, we are making dough for samosa pockets or some samosa pastry. Here is our dough. As you can see, it is not sticky or that hard. It is soft. And we are going to make small balls. And I want my samosas to be thick.
Rainbow.
Our balls are ready. We are going to roll our balls into a circular shape. We put it aside, then we roll another one. Again, we put it aside. We roll the third one, and I always use cooking oil to roll. Now we are going to apply our cooking oil. If you have like a brush, you can use it. Then I press this one. I add cooking oil. And then I put this one. The next one. Then I add again. And press the last one. And continue rolling. This is how samosa and this is the video.